It gets to be very emotional at the end of the day when you want to be there for them, but you can't as much.
So that's a Phoenix nurse working on the front lines of the coronavirus pandemic. She is dealing with so much right now, but the virus isn't her only concern.
No, she is an undocumented immigrant who could face deportation. Our Emma Lockhart on why that is not stopping her from helping our community.
Karen Garcia says she's been a fighter all her life.
We came to the United States when I was 4 years old. We've been here in Arizona since then. We haven't left.
Her family emigrated from Mexico City. The mother of two says she always wanted to be a nurse. She says she had to fight for an education to achieve that dream as an undocumented immigrant.
I didn't have as many resources as others. Scholarships were very limited to me. I didn't get student grants like most people do.
Now she's fighting an entirely new battle on the front lines of COVID-19.
Just leaving work, you feel heaviness, and it's a very tense environment.
Garcia cares for COVID patients at Valleywise Medical Center in Phoenix.
That is the reason why I became a nurse, to be able to support them in the toughest times, and this is one of the hardest times that they're probably going to face.
But another fight is looming for Garcia, one to keep her job and her life here in the United States.
I think that I always have that thought in the back of my head, what's going to happen.
Garcia is a dreamer, protected under the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program. But if the U.S. Supreme Court votes to eliminate DACA, she could be deported.
My fear is just, what about all those dreamers that are doing the same thing as me, that are able to help the community, that are putting everything in their willpower to get to be in a stable place?
For now, Garcia is focusing on the fight in front of her every day, hoping she gets the chance to continue doing it.
Given the opportunity, I will always risk my life to help others. I have always believed that my calling was to help others in times of need.
In Phoenix, Emma Lockhart, Arizona's Family.